Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of space startups and the latest developments from Seraphim Space Investment Trust. On June 6th, Seraphim announced some intriguing updates about their investment portfolio, and there's a lot to unpack. So, let's get into it. Despite facing a few setbacks, the total value of early-stage space investments in Seraphim's publicly traded trust saw a slight increase of 1.4%. Reaching £201 million, or $257 million. One of the notable events was the initial public offering, IPO, of Astroscale, a Japanese debris removal venture, on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Astroscale's IPO was a bit of a roller coaster. They sold their shares for about 40% less than their private financing round late last year. This resulted in Seraphim reducing the valuation of their interest in Astroscale by nearly £4 million. Despite this, Astroscale's IPO was heavily oversubscribed, showing a strong public market interest in space-related companies. Following the IPO, Astroscale's shares surged initially, but then dropped the next day. This volatility didn't dampen Seraphim's optimism. According to Mark Boggett, CEO of Seraphim Space, this public interest bodes well for other portfolio companies considering their own IPOs in the future. Now, let's talk about some of Seraphim's other significant investments. They hold stakes in several promising space companies, such as AST Space Mobile, which saw a rebound in share prices after announcing a commercial deal with AT&T. This helped offset some of the earlier losses in their portfolio. Seraphim's top holdings include companies like IC, D-Orbit, Allspace, and Hawkeye 360. Each of these companies is making waves in the space industry, driving innovation and attracting substantial funding rounds. For instance, Italian space logistics firm D-Orbit raised $110 million in January, and Californian satellite navigation venture Zona Space Systems raised $19 million last month. Interestingly, about 72% of Seraphim's portfolio is funded for at least 12 months, and 61% is fully funded, ensuring that these companies have the resources they need to continue their growth trajectories. In April, Seraphim sold its stakes in 9 companies to their new fund, Seraphim Space Ventures II, valued at £3.8 million. This strategic move allows the trust to focus on its more mature growth assets while still supporting early-stage startups through the new fund. Will Whitehorn, SSIT's chair, expressed confidence in the portfolio's prospects for 2024. He emphasized that SSIT has the cash reserves needed to meet the anticipated funding requirements of its portfolio companies. To wrap up, it's clear that Seraphim Space Investment Trust is navigating the dynamic space startup landscape with strategic moves and a forward-looking approach. Their investments are not just fueling innovation, but also shaping the future of space exploration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates on space and science. See you next time.